We're reviewing the Boya Magic by pressing the button once from regular audible to noise canceling of over 700,000 artificial intelligence sounds. This camera deletes the background noise and concentrates on your voice. It is a cradle with two microphones, two muffs for the mics, a tripod socket area, with the USB-A to C cable, USB-C to C cable, and TRS to TRS cable, and a carrying case. In the kit, it includes a receiver to hook up to your cameras that has a cold shoe and hookup. This is everything with an option tripod of what you get. You're looking for action cameras to take the little dongle, the transmitter, and place it to the side of an Ace Pro 2, an X5, or any cameras like the DJI Osmo Action 5 that we have the dongle on. When using the transmitter and receiver, they need to be relinked by pairing. By pressing the button, long pressing for 6 seconds, and turning on the unit and holding for pairing and going back and forth to the dongle. We are using the DJI as the microphone, and we are going to be pairing this dongle to the Ace Pro 2. We're placing incorrectly, long pressing on the buttons for rapid flashing, one is paired, looking for the other for pair, and we are ready to go. The Boya Magic is the full microphone that you're hearing from the actual camera shooting video and showing samples of the Ace Pro 2. As you see how it's windy and you hear the sounds around, we're going to put on the microphone noise canceling on this bright sunny day. We are with, right over here, the microphone on the glasses, and what we'll do is hit noise canceling as well. We are with, right over here, the microphone on the glasses, and what we'll do is hit noise canceling as well. And this is what it sounds. Test 1, test 2. You're looking for a microphone. 700,000 artificial noise cancellations. A microphone that will do the job for your camera. Check online for further details about the models you are after. USB-C only, Lightning only, combination, or just the mic itself. Stereo, mono, phone application, changing the dB levels, noise canceling, and more. The Boya Magic in its natural environments on a windy day. The Boya Magic 4 platform system. Full mic, desk mic for laptops, computers, for smartphones, for primary cameras, action cameras, which we're shooting with the Boya mic in noise canceling. Artificial noise reduction of over 700,000. We have the Boya Central open up, and we have a lightning cable for the iOS. We are hooking up. We are connecting to the Boya Magic auto recognition. Press on the badge and we open up to setting up the system. We have an output gain in neutral of 2 Noise canceling with the grayed out area. Noise canceling level, strong NC, negative 40 dB, grayed out area. Recording mode in mono and stereo, and safety track in on, a blue switch, and off in gray, and a speaker. On top we have 3 dashes that we click into to the user's manual and the device name. Turning on the receiver is as simple as finding the on and off button located on the unit, with 2 blue lights searching for the Boya mic. We have on the unit a left and right channel. The output gain is now available to change, and the noise canceling to turn on and off. AI. With a strong NC negative 40 dB, weak negative 15 dB are the two. It is defaulted at negative 40 dB. We have transmitter 1 shown. Transmitter 2 is on a separate channel altogether. We could have transmitter 2 on here and set up as well. If we continue down, we have a transmitter mute. General settings of equalizer on original. If we go over, we have voice boost, low cut 75 Hz, 150 Hz, and a custom EQ that we press on it and we're able to set up. Transmitter auto off, so when everything's put back in, it was shut off. Custom number 1 is set and original is set. Backing out of the unit is simply hitting the back out button. And we have here is the about. Holding down the on for 6 seconds and the on of the transmitter for 6 seconds. Receiver first. Transmitter second. When the light blinks quickly, let go. Transmitter 1 is connected to the first one. Looking for transmitter 2 will time out. We are now able to use our unit with the camera. We have on the unit is a dB level. dB levels by pressing. We press on once. Pressing on the side, you'll see a white light of the dB levels over here. Pressing on the transmitter, single gives to the green, and the receiver changes to green, and back to blue for noise canceling. dB levels, noise canceling. Setting up is as easy as placing onto the hot shoe, placing in your TRS to TRS cable to the unit, and shooting your video with the Boya mic in noise canceling. Test 1, 2, 3. Noise canceling in the off. Test 1, 2, 3. Receiver to transmitter, mono to a stereo soundtrack with 2 for stereo sound. This review is all done on the Boya mic system. The cradle and the microphone. Either microphone must be in last remembered setting, noise canceling, and able to use the microphone with the front able to talk into the unit with the cosmetic top cover, either with the foam cover or with the dead cat cover. This is the Boya Magic System. Check online for further details about the accessories and products and replacements Boya has to offer. On the back of the unit of the dongle, transmitter, and receiver, we have a charging port. Simply find the location, plug in, and charge. You see the soft lights charging, 25% for each. The unit will charge a number of times your transmitters. 5-6 hours of use of each transmitter and receiver, with the unit having a pass-through USB-C to charge your phone. Your phone gets charged as we shut the unit off to demonstrate once again. The unit is charged, like so. For unlimited runtime, a power bank may be used on both. This is the Boya Magic System. I hope you enjoy the product. If this is something that you are looking for in a mic setup, enjoy your product from Boya, the Magic. 4 platforms in one for your microphone and external audio needs. Thank you for viewing.